I'm gonna show you guys in real time, no cuts, nothing, how I install a wig. First up, honestly, no, I don't wanna do it like that. Okay, I have 10 minutes. And I'm gonna start right here. This like way I can use less glue, you know? Is the glue even coming out, you guys? Oh my God. Okay, so we're getting really messy on the forehead and we don't want that. Okay, that looks like it would be good for now. I didn't get my blow dryer. And then while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna move on this side. Holy guacamole. It's fine. We're fine. I'm gonna go another layer. Where's my blow dryer? Okay, I guess I'll go through this side then. I'm gonna use what's like left on my brush right now. Wow. Look at this. So gross. Okay, get enough. So the top part is dry and I'm gonna go in with this. What is this, like a rat comb or something? And I always make sure to measure my head 4 fingers. Not too big, not too small. And I'm also gonna grab my blow dryer. Stay here. Woo! We're doing good. You know, I didn't really plan this out here. I'm gonna plug this into my mirror. So hopefully it'll blow a fuse. All right. Oh no, oh no. I didn't blow a fuse. My eyelashes are holding on for dear life. Look at that! Wow, that is so clutch. Okay, this one's dry, and then what I like to do here, when I'm doing the sides, I pull this, do you see this little like flap that I created for the ear part? I pull that down and I go like, and then like I have an ear flap, you know, just gotta hold it down more. This song is such a bop and I don't even know what she's saying. Okay, then I'm gonna do the same. Oh no.
Made to shine. Love stories from
Nice, Alexa.
The long distance relationship, and now she's back. So this Valentine's Day,
Here's the flap that I created.
was overwhelmed when it came
I'm
to
gonna
the
pull it down and pull all the hair
They took
back.
the time to show me tons of different rings.
I'm so good at explaining things. You're gonna pull, you're gonna use this thing.
Consultants don't work
Oh
on
no.
time, so you'll never feel pressured. They'll educate you about the 4 C's
Oh,
and help
no.
you bring your vision to life. Shane Company.
This side might look a little more crusty.
29.
And now I'm gonna use a warm setting. Oh my god. And we are done. We are done, folks. Woo! This video is to whoever thinks I take a long time getting ready. Love you guys.